Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Healthy Wealthy. This is Shweta Srivastav. Today I'm here to discuss top 3 habits that might damage our immunity. So as we all know that we have a natural immune system in the body that helps us fight against any disease or infection. So the immune system comprises immune cells of different types and they perform various immune functions in our body. So people who have a healthy immune system have a stronger immunity. So as compared to those people who have a weaker immune system. So those people who have a weaker immune system are more susceptible to get infected. So this is the reason we found some people falling sick repeatedly. This is basically due to their weaker immune system. While there are people with a stronger immune system, they do not fall sick easily. So it is very important to take care of our immune system, right? So when an infectious, do you know that when an infectious particle like bacteria or virus that enters a human body, our body's immune cells immediately starts acting and defense mechanism. They have their defense mechanism and they ultimately destroy that disease causing organism. So therefore our immune system's health should never be neglected. And my previous blog, we had discussed some of the natural ingredients and simple ways they can be used to boost our immunity. So I think you people might be using some of the natural ingredients in your daily routine. So that's very important. So in this video, I am mainly focused on some of the habits that might be harmful to our immune system's health. So coming to the first of our habit that can be damaging to our immune system is poor sleep. So there are people who just can't sleep at night. I mean, they are insomniac or they have developed a habit of sleeping only a few hours a day, and they don't take enough sleep. So do you know that that it is recommended to sleep about 6 to 8 hours in a day? So taking inadequate sleep might cause damage to our health, and most importantly it can damage to our immune system. Therefore people who take inadequate sleep are more susceptible to get sick. So poor sleep can decrease our body's ability to respond to cold or even bacterial infections. So it's not like that sleeping more is going to prevent ourselves from getting sick. But yes, if someone fails to sleep properly or for the required amount of time, that person might be susceptible to get infected, or his or her immune system could be adversely affected by his or her sleep habits, right? So this is the thing that we should take proper sleep, and we should follow a particular pattern for our sleep. We should, if we generally sleep 10 o'clock or 11 o'clock, so we should try to keep that discipline in our life, right? This is important to live a healthy life. And then coming to our next habit, it is excess sugar. So there are people who have a habit of eating too much of sugar. So eating too much of sugar might suppress the immune system functioning. So this would leave our body more susceptible to bacterial and viral infections. So consuming excessive sugar or white carbs like bread, pasta or noodles, etc. might disturb our body's nutrient balance, leading to This can cause internal inflammation in the body and even metabolic disruption. So, therefore, this is important to keep our immune system healthy, and for this we should always have a check on the amount of sugar we are taking in a day. So, do you know, according to the American Heart Association, men should consume no more than 9 teaspoons, that is approximately 36 grams or 150 calories of added sugar per day. Whereas for women, it is a little lower. That is, the recommended amount of sugar is 6 teaspoons, which is approximately 25 grams or 100 calories per day. So we should try to take care of, keep check or keep control of how much or of the amount of sugar we are taking in a day. So coming to our third habit, which is like stress, taking too much of stress. There are people who have a habit of like taking too much of stress or anxiety. They just can't keep control, or they get stressed very easily. So do you know that stress or anxiety is also associated with a weaker immunity against diseases? So taking too much of stress negatively affects our immune system's ability to fight against harmful organisms. So during stress, our body releases the stress hormone called corticosteroid, and this hormone has the ability to suppress the effectiveness of our immune system, and this makes our bodies more susceptible to get infected. So these were the three common habits which might damage our immune system. Then apart from the three, there are a few others like excessive alcohol consumption, smoking, consuming too much caffeine, junk food, and even inadequate water intake are some other bad habits that can negatively affect our immune system. So these habits might damage our immunity and can cause our bodies to be susceptible to infection, like more susceptible to be infection. So we all should take great care of our immune system's health, and this is our primary responsibility, especially in this corona period, to keep control of our habits that might damage the immune system. And also, we should try to include some natural immunity boosters in our daily routine, such as taking fruits like rich in vitamin C or rich in antioxidants, and having green veggies, and taking milk, chyawanprash, and other natural immunity boosters. So, dear friends, stay safe, stay connected, and take care of our immune system's health. That's it. This is it.